Hello, my name is Naggayi Shamim. I work with Human Diagnostics Uganda. Today we are here with one of our products, the Oraquick HIV self-test. It is a test that you use on yourself as a person to get to know how you're standing as regards HIV/AIDS. So you just swab this along your gum, up and down, and you wait for 20 minutes to know your result. I've already tested, and if you look at this closely, you can be able to see my result. It is a negative. A negative result is one where you have only one line at the C, and if you have two lines, one at C and one at T, that would be a positive result. So we are here doing free testing today, and also selling some kits. In case you want to take one home, you buy it at 15,000 shillings only. Yes, feel free, come and test. Ask all the questions you would desire to have answers to, in line with HIV testing and self-testing, particularly Oraquick HIV self-testing.